Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up CompanyHub Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for the app and click on it. Then you'll bring you to this interface where you have to click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on Settings, click on Integrations. On the integration page, you're simply going to click on Generate API Key. And here you'll be prompted to enter some details, so you're just going to read and enter the detail. And click on Done. Once you're done, click on Done. There we go. Our API key has been generated. So we're simply going to copy our API key and head over back to our account. Click on Start Setup. We're going to enter our API key. We're going to paste. Head over back to your account online again. Copy your subdomain. Go back to your account and paste your subdomain. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the Law Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.